So I have my cookie dough and it needs to be refrigerated for 1 or 2 hours. So instead of having hard cookie dough to have to scrape out with a spoon, I just take some plastic wrap and just lay it out on the table. And you can just take scoops of the cookie dough and just lay it out on the plastic wrap. Or you can even section it out, like split it in half. Because the goal is to just be able to slice it and have uniform cookies when you take it out the refrigerator. And so I didn't practice this before, you know, like how to do it on video, so I'm just like doing it as if I would if I didn't have an audience. So then I just kind of shape it into the way they do at the stores when you buy pre-made cookie dough, like a little shape, like a log. And then I kind of like pat it like Play-Doh. So I'm patting it. So I've shaped it. You can make it bigger or smaller. And then I'm just going to slice it. I'm going to slice it